Jinan Ganger Cnc Co. Limited, established in 2005, is a leading manufacturer of stone machinery based in Jinan, Shandong Province, China. With a production facility spanning over 8,000 square meters, we are committed to delivering high-performance, reliable machinery solutions for the global stone industry. Our dedicated teams excel in product design, research and development, quality control, and operational management. We have implemented a modern quality management system fully aligned with international standards, ensuring consistent product excellence and customer satisfaction across all markets we serve. Our quality benchmarks meet European and U.S. standards, and our products are certified for the European and North American markets, including ISO 9001, CE, and RoHS. To date, we have successfully exported to more than 90 countries across Europe, the Americas, the Middle East, East Asia, and Southeast Asia. To stay at the forefront of industry innovation, we actively participate in key international exhibitions such as the China Xiamen International Stone Fair, Marmamuc Verona Fair, and Coverings US, the Global Tile and Stone Experience. We offer comprehensive one-stop service, including a 3-year warranty, 24/7 professional online support, and free spare parts replacement during the warranty period. We also welcome custom requests and collaborative development opportunities to better meet your specific needs. At Ganger Cnc, our philosophy is simple: keep moving forward. We believe that strong partnerships drive mutual growth, and we would be honored to explore how we can support your business with reliable, innovative solutions. Looking forward to the opportunity to work together.
We offer 3 years warranty and 24 hours online troubleshooting support.
Welcome to Jinan Ganger Cnc Co. Limited.
Welcome!